Hello friends, this is Technical Experience and I have come up with a new video on battery selection for your solar panel. When we install a solar panel, the energy or the power is stored in the battery. So proper and accurate selection of battery is very much required for the solar panel. In this video I shall explain how to calculate the battery capacity for the solar panel. In my earlier videos, I have already explained how to install solar panels on your rooftop as well as the direction and the tilt angle which is required for the solar panel to receive the sunlight for the maximum time. I have given the link of those videos in the description box which you can refer. Now let us see how we can calculate the battery capacity for a 100-watt panel. From the panel nameplate, we can see the maximum power rating of the panel 100 megawatt max and the current at maximum power is 5.37 amps. So if we are using a solar panel of 100 watt capacity, as the intensity of the sunlight will not be the same throughout the day, so we shall consider the current for throughout the day will be 4.5 to 5 amps, which shall be available for 10 hours a day. Hence, battery shall be charged at a rate of 4.5 amps for a duration of 10 hours. So, if we use a solar panel of 100 watt capacity, the battery capacity required for the panel would be 45 to 50 ampere hour. Friends, hope you have liked the video. So, please like, share and comment. Also subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get information of new videos uploaded.